Hi everyone, how are we doing today? Today I have really exciting news, okay? Now I know that over the years, a lot of us have been complaining about the cost of COS. There's been a lot of talk about the rising cost of COS from 6,000, 7,500 pounds as at 3 years ago to about 8,000 to 10,000 pounds last year. And then this year we're talking about 12,000 to 15,000 pounds. Okay. And that's like really, really crazy. Okay. But did you know that there are some organizations under the NHS that are still offering COS for free? I bet you didn't know, okay? And that's why I am here. I got you, don't worry. And today we're going to talk about, in this video, we're going to talk about those organizations that are still offering COS for free. We're also going to discuss some tips that will give you an edge when you are applying to these organizations, okay? So please stick to this video till the end because this video is highly packed. Now, if you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. My name is Zuri. And on this channel, we basically talk about travel tips, visa tips, immigration tips, and we also talk about international opportunities in several countries around the world where you can get a job and relocate, or you can relocate via study or get a scholarship or two. All right. So if this is something that you are interested in, please smash the subscribe button. And if you're feeling generous today, you can share this video with one or two of your friends who are also interested in this jackpot journey. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the COS palaver, okay, the COS issue, and how I would like to uncover how you can get your free COS without breaking the bank, and how you can make your move to the UK a reality still in this year. Okay, so stick around. First of all, I know that a lot of you have heard about the term COS, but some of you might not really know what exactly the COS is. Now, COS is short for Certificate of Sponsorship, okay, and it is a key document that you need, especially for care workers, when you want to relocate to the UK to work in the UK, okay? Now, while some people pay hefty sums for it, there are some organizations under the NHS that give it out for free. Okay, so let's just explore these options. Now, take note, I'm going to be dropping the links to each of these organizations in the description below, so you can check them out in the description below and know which one is the right fit for you. Okay, now I understand that a lot of people have been complaining about the UK, but a lot of people also still want to move to the UK. All right, I mean, I totally understand that, you know, the high standard of living, the good quality of life, the educational opportunities, and so on and so forth. I totally understand why you still want to move to the UK and you're still choosing the UK above some other countries. Okay, so let's get into the NHS organizations that offer free COS for care workers. Okay, the first one I have here is NHS Professionals, and that is called NHSP. Now, NHS Professionals offers flexible workforce solutions and recruits care workers globally. Okay, now please take note that I'm going to link all of them in the description below. Okay, so you don't have to worry about where to find them or where to find their websites. Everything is in the description for you. Okay, let's continue. Now, the next one we have here is Health Education England, which is HEE. Now, HEE focuses on the education and development of the healthcare workforce, sponsoring international recruits. Now, let's go on to the next one. Individual NHS trusts. Now, many NHS trusts recruit care workers internationally. Some examples are Guy's and St. Thomas, Oxford University Hospitals, and Manchester University NHS Foundation Trusts. Okay, I'm going to drop them in the description below as well. Now, the next one is the UK Government Health and Care Visa Scheme. The Health and Care Visa Scheme simplifies the process, offering fast-tracked processing and reduced fees. You definitely want to check this one out, okay? Now, the next one is NHS Employers. NHS employers provides recruitment guidance and facilitates international recruitment for various NHS organizations. The link will definitely be in the description below. Let's talk about the next one, Royal Free London NHS Foundation Trust. Now, this particular trust recruits international healthcare professionals, offering free COS for eligible candidates. The website link would be below. The next one is University Hospitals Birmingham NHS Foundation Trust. Now, this organization is known for its international recruitment, and this trust provides sponsorship for care workers. Okay, the next one, which is number 8, is the King's College Hospital NHS Foundation Trust. Now, this trust recruits globally and offers COS as part of their recruitment package. Wow, that's beautiful. So the link would be in the description below. Let's go ahead to number 9, the East Suffolk and North Essex NHS Foundation Trust. Now, this trust actively recruits international care workers, providing free COS. Okay, I like the sound of that. So I'm gonna link it in the description as well. Number 10, we have Bats Health NHS Trust. Now, this is one of the largest NHS trusts, okay? Bats Health recruits care workers and offers free COS. I will be linking it in the description below. Now, let's quickly talk about some of the tips to help you apply for these jobs, okay? Now, the very first and ultimate one that I would like to mention is that you need to take more certification courses, okay? And there's a special reason why I'm saying this, because these organizations offer free COS. A lot of people from around the world who are interested in the UK are submitting applications virtually on a daily basis, okay? Thousands and thousands. And so it would be advisable that in order for your application to be prioritized and in order for you to have an edge in these in the job market, in the crazy pool, you know, of applications, then you need to probably have 1 or 2 more certifications. If possible, you can check them out, check each of these websites and organizations out to know what exactly they need. What certification do they need? What certification do they favor? Okay, and then you can go take that certification course and get the certification. Okay, this would give you an edge. The second tip I would like to mention is that you can check out their official website. Okay, go to their official website. Personally, I like to go to the careers section or the vacancies section on their official website, because that's where you will find the vacancies that they have. Okay, now I just quickly want to drop this here. All right, for most of you, you know that once in a while I go live. Okay, if you're following me on my socials, you know that I go live on my Instagram quite often. Okay, and I would also be going live on YouTube as well. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you know whenever I go live. Now, when I go live, what I like to do is share my screen with you and apply for these opportunities that I talk about in my videos. Okay, I would really love to do that with you, and I would love for you to be a part of it, so that while I'm applying for the opportunities or checking out the opportunities, you can also be on your own screen doing that as well. That would be exciting, right? Okay, so please make sure that if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, you hit the subscribe button and also smash the notification bell. Okay, turn on your notifications so that you will know whenever I come on live. Okay, now if your YouTube notification on your phone is off, then you might not get the YouTube notification even though you have turned it on YouTube. So I would like for you to go to your settings to your apps and then turn on your YouTube notifications, so that whenever I am going live and your YouTube notifies your phone, you would see it as well. Okay, do you understand that? So you turn on the notification on your YouTube after subscribing. If you don't subscribe, you might not see the notification bell. So first thing you have to do is turn on your subscribe first, okay, to my YouTube channel, and then you click on the notification bell to turn on the notification. Then you go to your phone settings and turn on your YouTube notifications so that you can be notified whenever I am going live. Okay, Now, if you're yet to join my WhatsApp channel, the community is an amazing one, and the people on my WhatsApp channel actually get some opportunities and perks, okay? So that might even give you an edge in order to talk to me one-on-one if you would like to, or have access to me directly to assist you with an opportunity, with a CV, with a visa opportunity that you saw. Okay, so please join the WhatsApp channel. I'm going to link it in the description below as well. It's an amazing community, and I'm sure that you will love to be there. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the other tips that I wrote. The next tip that I wrote down here is that you need to contact the recruitment teams. Now, one advantage of contacting a recruitment team is that you would actually know what exactly you need to do to apply for a job offer or an opportunity. Okay, you would see probably detailed information on the application process and what they need you to do. Okay, so you can contact the recruitment team. And the last tip that I wrote down is that you have to prepare your documentation. Whenever you want to apply for an opportunity or a visa, of course, it is only right that you prepare your documentation and to make sure that you have everything put together and covered before you even start your application to avoid mistakes. All right. So there it is. We have covered the NHS organizations that still give free COS even in the year 2024. Now, if you have any more questions, you can drop them in the comment section. If you have any questions at all, or you would like me to talk about something else, just drop it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to respond to you. Also, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, or you need assistance with one thing or the other, please go to the description because my email address is there, and you can email me to ask me some questions. Also, follow me on socials, my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok. It's the same name. My name is Zuri Wealth on all of them, okay, across all of them. And I would really love to hear from you. All right, so here's me wishing you good luck with your job application and with your COS application. All right, take care of you and see you in another video.